Hello there, my fellow bicycle enthusiast. So, this is our situation today. We have a flat tire. So, I was biking. I did not notice there's two staples lodged in my tire and it just drained the air inside. So, for today's video, I will show you. I know I've been showing you my bike this past few months, all my bike rides in the neighborhood. But today's video, it's all about bike maintenance. And this bike is a little bulky. So instead of bringing the entire bike at the bike shop, we will go ahead and remove it and just carry the tire with us to get air filled or to get patched or whatever needs to be done so that we can run this bike again. So you don't really need any special tools. You just need an arm muscle. Actually, this bag of tools I have on hand right now came with a bicycle, which I really love. I carry this around with me in case, minor fender bender on the road, then you have tools that you can use. But I'm not really familiar with what their names are. I'm using this one. This is the only tool I use to remove this tire actually. What is that called? Is that a screwdriver? I don't know. Let me know, but it's that one. And once you loosen the screw on this side, you can try to remove that is supposed to be a quick release, but actually it was a little hard, so I should have unscrewed it a little bit more, but I'm so lazy to go around, and I just tried my best to release this one. Like, who needs a man, right? We can do this. Okay, there you go. And then you just turn it around and remove it. You need to make sure you put them together, including the screws, because you still have to put it back once the tire is fixed. I have this bicycle about 7 to 8 months now, and so far everything is good. This is by the brand Colorway. I actually made a video previously about when I unboxed and assembled it, and I posted it also here on YouTube. I definitely highly recommend this bike, especially for female riders. This is an electric bike, and I think the price was about $4.99, I believe. I could not exactly remember how much, but definitely highly recommend it, especially for female riders. And the maintenance is not bad either. Like, my background, I don't know nothing about bicycle maintenance, but it's mostly just common sense. Like, I love that they send the tools together with it, so I have definitely used these tools a lot. And that's basically it. So let's go ahead and bring this tire to the bike shop. Thank you guys for watching.